Hello guys, so today I have another product of Lumary. So this is the lights for your wall. So it have 14 lights and 18 feet of wiring that you can use your phone to change the lights, colors, temperature, timing by the app, by the voice. So many lights, can dance by the music and all that stuff. So you can check out those QR codes. So it's made by Lumary. So it's only 24 watt, IP20, 18.4, 14. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open it. Have a brochure of how it works, step by step, how to hook up, where to find the app, connect to your Wi-Fi, to your Bluetooth and all this stuff. So it goes all from the app. So just get the app from Android or phone. Let me step back a little bit. Let me lower the camera slightly right here. So when I open the box, right here, so it have two small boxes. So here we go, one box with all the lights. So here we go. If you have a white wall, it's even better because the wiring is white. So there is a 3M double tape. So how it goes? Okay, so you glue it on and then you slide it. So really easy. So get your measuring tape and find out where you want to do on the walls. Okay, and one more other box. So we have a remote. Doesn't have batteries, so we need the AAA batteries. So there is extra 3M tapes, or if you want to hook them up to the wall actually with those plastic studs. I don't need that. Yeah, so there is a power. Here we go. So it's easy. So this one goes to your 110, connects right here. This is the block, and this goes to your lights. 3 wiring, and on your lights here just find this connector, and this is only one way. Only one way, just like so. Boom, and just spin it, and we're good to go. So let's go ahead and on the wall and find out where we want to put them on. Let's glue the double side tape and let's see what we're coming up with. So here's the ball. It's pretty good size, so let's see what we can do. I see there is a, okay, so basically one is the end and have a longer ones, and the rest of the lights have like about 1 foot between them. Oh, I noticed also that it can turn. Okay, it's even better. So there is a lights right here and right here, and it's 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 chips one side, 7 chips on other side, and have like a lens kind of, so it will do some kind of effect like right how it shows right here. This is the effect it's gonna be. So over here it's only what, on to like 7 lights, but we have a 14 lights, so it's gonna looks good. Looks good. Okay, so let's do it. Let's install it. Okay, so I just did this way, and let me try do this way. Let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and install them. 6, one like this, 6 and one like this. 14. Okay. Okay, so you hold and I'll stick. Hope that 3M double side tape will work really good. Let's do the eyeballing. Something like this. Like this. We're not using measuring, no measuring tapes, so looks good. Look higher. Do our best. It's the end tape, so it's supposed to be usable. Just like so. Just like so. Something like this. Something like this. I'm going to get this one side. And like that. Let's twist it. Something kind of in the middle. Let's do this one more straight. Oh no? Like that? I can see. Something like this.
And it's just like match it with the other one. Oh.
Okay, let's plug it. Ta-da! Go ahead and turn on the lights. Let's check it out. Let's push some buttons. Oh yeah, looks good.
Those are.
Okay, so let's go ahead and what is it? So this is how to install it. Let's go ahead and install the app. So you have to have a phone. Let's do scan QR code. Okay. Lumary app. I already have the Lumary app because I have more products of them, but what you have to do for the Android or for Apple, so I have an Apple, press on it. Oh, it's still loading right here. Let's turn off the, now leave the Bluetooth on. Press open, App Store, open. Okay, so you will have the download option or open. So I'll have a open. I have more lights. So what you have to do, I have more lights at home that I can link it somewhere here. So I'll put plus add device. Tune on the Wi-Fi. Let's tune on the Wi-Fi. Oh, it's already found it. Discovering device, because it's in pairing mode. When it's like blinking like that, it's pairing mode. So what you have to do on your remote there, just press and hold it until it will begin to do this kind of stuff. So I'm here. So press on add. So we need to put your Wi-Fi information. Set up now. Allow, and just put your Wi-Fi and password. Okay, so you're putting your login, password, go next, and it will add the light right here. So it's loading. Weak signal. But it's still thinking. Because my Wi-Fi it's on the other side of the room, so this is what it is, weak signal. It's okay, we will make it work. Okay, so finally it was okay. Okay, so it did right here. Please set number of bulbs according to actual number of bulbs in lamp. So we need to do a 14. Press confirm. So I think it's 28. Oh yeah, it's 28 because it's doubled. One here, one here. So we can do brighter, less. Let's do colors. Put any colors. We can get few lights out and replace with the color palette not available in erase mode. So now we need to put green. No, hold on. Let's play around. Let's make it work. Yeah, you have to play around. So let's do like something different. Or like this. Changing colors, what we can do, oh, we can do lower the speed. Make it faster. Can do slower. So it has so many options. So many options. We can do by the music. Happy, soft. What is it? Soft. No. Oh yeah, so when I talk, When I talk it's changing. So this is, guys, this is it. So many options, so many options. Here we go. This is the Lumary Smart Wall. 14 lights.